Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this short video, I'm going to guide you how to clear iPhone RAM. Clearing the iPhone RAM helps for the best performance. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, launch settings. Scroll, find and tap on accessibility and tap on touch. Now tap on assistive touch and enable assistive touch. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background. Now after that, launch settings, tap on general and tap shutdown. Now activate the assistive touch and tap and hold the home button until you get the passcode screen. Now put your iPhone passcode. That's it. This method will clear your iPhone RAM for a better performance. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.